Hey, what's going on, everyone? I didn't expect this 24% surge in NEO stock. I was just looking for a measly 14%, but instead the stock ran all the way up here on the high on September 30th of $7.71. It exploded past our two sell zones. So what now? What's going to go down now in NEO? Because the volatility has increased in this stock, right? It has increased massively. Earnings came out October the 1st. Not too big, not too bad, not too shabby. But the market didn't completely collapse. It didn't plummet, it didn't tank. So what now? Well, let's go ahead and break this down. But first, it took a couple of days for the market in NEO to hit an ultimate TP price of 14.045% at $6.33. If you were still in the market now and you took it out on the close of yesterday, you're almost up 30%. So I want to say congratulations, kudos. This is what you're supposed to be doing when you come in and participate in the stock market. Now, we can get rid of these sell zones here first. Yeah, those sellers ain't there. The buyers like, cool, we only got a couple amount of sellers at these prices. We could easily take them out. And that's what they did. Question is, why did the market stop at this high on September 30th at $7.71? Why there? You trying to tell me that there wasn't any more people willing to buy NEO above there? So the first thing we need to do is create a sell zone, just to show that this is a problem. Okay, that's a problem. We got that sell zone depicted. Let's create this buy zone. We're just going to mark where we think majority of sellers and buyers are. That's all we're doing. All right, so now let's see if we could take this sell zone all the way back. So literally, NEO has made a full circle. From beginning of the year, it was trading around $7, $8. And here it is today, trading around that same price. So all of 2024, we've seen NEO just drift lower and lower. What are the prospects of us seeing this stock break this sell zone now? Is it big? Is it a good chance? Is it a high probability? Should we begin to place more sell zones in this stock then? Should we aim for higher prices in NEO? Because if so, these would be the next two sell zones that we need to target if we're expecting the market to go up in NEO. Okay. Now let's start out with NEO on the 5, because we just completed this 5-day bar, printed, done, it's over. Look at what we received, a push to go up bar. Now we're at a sell zone, so I won't be surprised to see price go down. I won't be, even though this bar is strong, even though it's an indication of strength. I won't be surprised to see the market go lower though, because zones are stronger than one individual price bar. Here it is on the weekly chart. Okay, we have what, a couple more days, a day and 10 hours. I don't want to see NEO on this weekly price bar close down here. I don't want to see that. If it does, then we need to anticipate lower prices. Here it is on the 2. Okay. On the 2 weeks, we receive this buy signal here. And look what happened to the price. It is on the 3. NEO on the 5. How long we got? A day and 9 hours on this 5-weekly bar. You can already see a signal being triggered. And on the monthly chart. Okay, so now this is what I maintain is about to pop off in NEO. I think the market's going to go down initially and then try to break the sales on the second time. So this is a buy zone right around here. Okay, so we need to look for this market in NEO to try to hold this zone. Okay. If it doesn't hold this zone, then I would say expect it to come down to this particular level. Try to bounce and find more buyers. I do see one right here though. So that's a big one too. So this market is very volatile because look at how long the price bars are. Look at where price is closing. Look at where price is opening over the last 6 days. It's a lot of volatility. People are trying to get in position for the next move, whether it's up or down. And they're trying to figure this out. Okay, so expect some volatility, expect some weird price action to occur in NEO. Now, as of right now, I think price is going to dip to the downside a little bit. Okay, that's what we're seeing here on this chart. So now the question would be, how soon, how long will it take for the buyers in NEO to come and hold? So I'm not going to drop a price prediction on that alone. I want to see if these buyers are still strong at the sell zone. Because over the last 2 days, I will say yes. They're still showing us their hand that they still want to buy the stock. But I'm not truly convinced just yet. Okay, so all in all, the trend is still intact. The stock is still bullish. I just want to see how low the sellers will be able to move this stock down. So we got our marks here, 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 or here. So we'll do that. Go ahead and give me your thoughts though. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.